Bound friends, this is Kelly and I'm back this Tuesday with our new video, and we're going to make these really adorable little treat containers that Leanne came across, and she made us several samples. One's got mints. I really particularly like this one because it has a memory bound gift card. They fit gift cards perfectly, and they don't even require any adhesive. It's kind of different, kind of cool, and I'll show you how to make them. We're going to start out with a 6x6 inch piece of paper. So you would fold diagonally across, point to point, and then just crease that nice and good. And then after you get that, you've formed a little triangle here. You take your front flap and you're going to just fold it straight down like this. Open up your flap, and then you're going to take these sides and you're going to turn them right in so that they line up with this fold of your flap. And you're going to give that a good crease. Then you're going to come over to the other side and do the same exact thing. And you're going to give them a nice crease, and then you fold down your front. It's almost like a French fry container. You can decorate the front, or you can leave it as is. I happen to have a really nice snowflake to put right here. I've got my snowflake on there, and there's one more thing I can do. I can punch a little hole up here. So I can tie some twine on there, and then I just want to add a little bow just because, why not? I got a cute little bow, and then I've got these Ghirardelli chocolate peppermint barks that fit in here perfectly. And I have a fun little gift to give to a teacher or a daycare provider, any little friend like an office buddy, and it's ready to go. Isn't that just adorable? So this paper was 6 inches by 6 inches, and we're gonna get a little exciting because we're gonna do an 8 inch by 8 inch. I've already cut my Heidi Swapp Christmas paper into an 8 inch square. I'm folding it point to point diagonally and get a good crease. I fold this down, little flap down. I just go ahead and I fold one side in, give it a good crease. A bone folder would be really handy for this. If only I knew where mine was. A little bit bigger box. I love this ephemera from Simple Stories Country Christmas. And I've got some pieces I picked out. Now I haven't used any adhesive yet, but I'm gonna have to put a little adhesive on these items. Got a saying here that says Season's Greetings. I've got a little bird to put up here at the top, and I've got a little heart to put down here at the bottom. Isn't that just adorable? It's so cute, and it's just a nice little gift container. They say go big or go home, so now we're gonna go big, and we're gonna make one with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, just so you can see the difference in the size. So I've got my 12 inch by 12 inch paper. I'm gonna fold up the top here, fold my little flap down. Whatever you fold on the inside is gonna show the most, because it's gonna show on your front flap and on your back. Fold this like so. That's how big you can make it with a 12 inch piece of paper. And check out the Grinch here. He's a 10 inch by 10 inch. So here's some sizes to show you. The 12 by 12 inch square we just made. Our Grinch bag here is 10 by 10. We did the 8 by 8 with the Heidi Swapp paper. We did a 6 by 6 for our peppermints. And you know what? I made some little ones that were 4 inches by 4 inches, and look how cute those are. They pretty much fit a piece of candy perfectly. So if you're looking for a fun little project, come on in, get some paper, cut some squares, do a little folding, get treats, or even better, pick up a memory bound gift card and give this to your crafty friend. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.